Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.